Hey there, beautiful people. Welcome back to our channel where we dive deep into the world of hair care and styling products. Today, we're tackling a common hair dilemma, keeping those locks in place with the best curved bobby pins. If you've struggled with traditional bobby pins slipping out or causing discomfort, you're in the right place. We've handpicked 5 top-notch curved bobby pins to put to the test. Stick around till the end as we uncover the key features, benefits, and everything you need to know about each one of them. Let's get started. At number 1 position, we have skunky curved bobby pins. Let's kick things off with skunky curved bobby pins, a staple in many hair care arsenals. These pins are designed to effortlessly hold hair in place without causing any creases or discomfort. Key features: skunky. Curved bobby pins boast a unique curve design that ensures a snug fit against the scalp, keeping stray hairs in place all day long. Crafted from durable metal, they offer reliable hold without bending or snapping, even with repeated use. Benefits and usage. Perfect for creating elegant updos or securing flyaways, these pins are a versatile styling tool for any occasion. The smooth finish prevents snagging or pulling, making them suitable for all hair types. Whether you're styling thick curls or fine strands, skunky curved bobby pins provide a secure hold without sacrificing comfort. Usability. Thanks to their curved shape, these pins effortlessly glide into hair, making styling sessions a breeze. Whether you're a seasoned stylist or a beginner, you'll appreciate the ease of use offered by skunky curved bobby pins. Durability. Constructed from high-quality metal, these pins are built to last. Say goodbye to flimsy pins that bend out of shape after a few uses. Skunky curved bobby pins are designed to withstand the test of time, ensuring your hairstyles stay flawless. Moving on to the next at number 2 with Conair curved bobby pins. Next up, we have Conair curved bobby pins, a reliable option for anyone looking for secure hold and comfort. Key features: Conair curved bobby pins feature a sleek design that contours to the shape of your head, ensuring a secure hold without any discomfort. Crafted from durable materials, they are built to withstand daily wear and tear. Benefits and usage. Whether you're styling an intricate updo or securing a simple half-up hairstyle, these pins provide the perfect solution. Their smooth finish prevents snags and tangles, making them ideal for all hair types. Plus, the curved design helps distribute pressure evenly, reducing tension on the scalp. Usability. With their ergonomic design, Conair curved bobby pins are easy to handle, making styling sessions a breeze. Whether you're a professional stylist or styling your hair at home, you'll appreciate the convenience and ease of use offered by these pins. Durability. Constructed from high-quality materials, these pins are built to last. Say goodbye to flimsy pins that bend or break easily. Conair curved bobby pins are designed to withstand regular use, ensuring your hairstyles stay in place all day long. The number 3 position is held by Diane curved hair bobby pins. Moving on to Diane curved hair bobby pins, a trusted choice among hairstylists for their reliability and versatility. Key features: Diane curved hair bobby pins feature a classic design with a modern twist, providing a secure hold without any discomfort. Crafted from premium materials, they offer long-lasting durability and performance. Benefits and usage. Whether you're creating intricate braids or securing a simple ponytail, these pins are up to the task. Their curved design allows for easy insertion and removal, while the smooth finish ensures minimal snagging or pulling. Usability. With their user-friendly design, Diane curved hair bobby pins are suitable for stylists of all skill levels. Whether you're a professional or styling your hair at home, you'll appreciate the ease of use and reliable hold offered by these pins. Durability. Constructed from high-quality materials, these pins are built to withstand regular use without bending or breaking. Say goodbye to flimsy pins that fail to hold your hairstyles in place. Diane curved hair bobby pins are designed to deliver exceptional performance every time. Next at number 4, we have DIY Thinker curved hair bobby pins. Now let's talk about DIY Thinker curved hair bobby pins, a budget-friendly option that doesn't compromise on quality. Key features: DIY Thinker curved hair bobby pins feature a simple yet effective design that provides a secure hold without any fuss. Crafted from durable materials, they offer reliable performance at an affordable price point. Benefits and usage. Whether you're styling a sleek updo or securing loose strands, these pins have got you covered. Their curved shape allows for easy insertion and removal, while the smooth finish ensures minimal tugging or pulling on the hair. Usability. With their straightforward design, DIY thinker curved hair. Bobby pins are suitable for anyone looking for an easy-to-use styling solution. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned stylist, you'll appreciate the convenience and versatility offered by these pins. Durability. Despite their budget-friendly price tag, these pins are surprisingly durable. Say goodbye to flimsy pins that bend or break easily. DIY thinker curved hair. Bobby pins are designed to stand the test of time, ensuring your hairstyles stay put all day long. Finally, the number 5 position is dominated by Enlooks curved hair bobby pins. Last but not least, we have Enlooks curved hair bobby pins, a stylish and practical option for anyone looking to elevate their hairstyling game. Key features: Enlooks curved hair. Bobby pins feature a sleek and modern design that adds a touch of elegance to any hairstyle. Crafted from premium materials, they offer superior hold and durability, ensuring your hairstyles stay in place all day long. Benefits and usage. Whether you're creating intricate updos or securing simple twists, these pins provide the perfect finishing touch. Their curved shape allows for easy insertion and removal, while the smooth finish ensures minimal snagging or pulling on the hair. Usability. With their user-friendly design, Enlooks curved hair. Bobby pins are suitable for stylists of all skill levels. Whether you're getting ready for a special occasion or styling your hair on the go, you'll appreciate the convenience and reliability offered by these pins. Durability. Constructed from high-quality materials, these pins are built to last. Say goodbye to flimsy pins that fail to hold your hairstyles in place. Enlooks curved hair. Bobby pins are designed to deliver exceptional performance every time. Our top picks for the best curved bobby pins on the market. Whether you're a professional stylist or just someone who loves experimenting with hairstyles, investing in the right tools can make all the difference. We hope this guide has helped you find the perfect curved bobby pins to suit your needs. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more hair care tips and product reviews. Until next time, stay beautiful.